Hello, in this video we are going to talk about prompt engineering and how it can help you achieve the desired output from language models like ChatGPT, so let's dive right in.
Prompt engineering is the practice of carefully crafting and refining prompts or instructions given to language models such as ChatGPT. Exciting news! Today's video is absolutely free. It's part of our comprehensive AI for Business course.
You heard it, the full course is available at aimarketingengineers.com. It includes over 35 lessons on AI for business.
Don't miss out. Check the link in the description to learn more about the full course.
Click that link and take your first step in mastering AI for business. It's time to accelerate your business with AI.
It allows you to shape the model's responses and generate high quality and relevant text.
By providing clear instructions and formats, you can guide the language model in generating the output you need. Prompt engineering empowers you to take control and get the most out of AI tools.
So, what are the basics of prompt engineering? Let's break it down into three key elements. First one is being clear, then breaking tasks into smaller steps, and the last is iterative improvement.
Being clear is essential when creating and crafting prompts. You need to be ultra specific and clear, providing the model with all the necessary information to generate the desired output.
For complex research, breaking tasks into smaller steps helps the model better understand and process the prompt. This approach facilitates more accurate and coherent responses.
And finally, the iterative approach is crucial. We almost never have a perfect prompt and perfect output on the first try. You may need to go back, iterate and refine the prompt multiple times to achieve desired results.
To give you a practical example, let's consider a marketing scenario where a company wants to generate product descriptions for a new line of shoes using a language model.
Initially, the prompt could be as simple as generate a product description for our new line of shoes, and that's it. Not bad. However, this generic prompt doesn't provide us with what we really need.
Now, let's try applying some prompt engineering practices. We can refine the prompt to be ultra-specific and tailored to the company's needs. Here is an example. Act as a brilliant copywriter and generate a compelling product description for a new line of shoes, targeted at young professionals seeking comfortable yet stylish footwear that seamlessly combines fashion and functionality. Please highlight the unique features such as superior cushioning, durable materials, and modern design elements.
And also, let's export at the table. Wow, I'm amazed. Notice how we've incorporated specific details like role, target audience, desired attributes, and key selling points of the shoes. These engineered prompts provide clear guidance to the model on what to do.
Prompt engineering empowers you to have more control over the generated output and tailor it to your specific business needs.
In this example, by utilizing prompt engineering techniques, you ensure that language model produces a product description that effectively promotes the unique features and value proposition of the new line of shoes.
And that's a wrap. We hope this introduction to prompt engineering has been insightful for you entrepreneurs. In the next video, let's take a look at why do we need to learn prompt engineering.